Hello and welcome everyone in a new video in your channel, Mr. Tech Tips. Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget also to like this video. And let's get started. In today's video, I will show you how to find your deleted stories on Instagram. So let's start. We just need to go to the application, Instagram application, open the Instagram application. Enter to your profile, and after that just click on the three lines on the top right of the screen and go to your activity. Click on your activity, and after that just go and click on recently deleted. And then in recently deleted, as you can see here, you will find your recently deleted posts. So this one is a post. When you see the grid icon in the top, it's a post. Just you need to move to the other tab, and as you can see here, you will find your recently deleted stories. And never mind, because it's the same picture, because I just posted the same picture in my stories. And at the bottom of the story, as you can see, for example, in the first one 28 days, in the first and in the second one 26 days. And as you can see, those number is the number of days that I still have to restore those stories. And so before 28 days for the first one, the story will be permanently deleted, and for the second one after 26 days. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and don't forget also to like this video, and see you in the next one.